Everyone, to this brand new video. In this video we are going to talk about command when it comes to programming, mostly like in Swift. So follow along, just open your Xcode and let's see what we can do. So create go to get started with Playground. And what is Playground? Playground is a place where you can play to learn so many things about it. Today we're going to talk about comment. So click. And if you don't know how to create this Playground, I'll link a description below to watch the video that I've created about Playground. So we just use blank. Click next. You have to decide where to put it, maybe on a desktop or you create a new folder. You got a choice to choose. So I've already created another Playground. It's asking me, do you want to replace? I'm like, okay, man, replace. But yours is not gonna be like this one, because I was working before with a Playground. So as you can see, this is our Playground. And basically what is a comment? Comment is just something that you can use to make your work look good, and in order for another developer to understand what you are doing. Like for example, if I just type variable here, variable, and let me just take constant, and I just allow it like that. Playground would yell at me. Playground will not understand why he's saying that this is and this is not identified. Use bracket or this is okay. If I just if I remove this one play, if I just type if I just remove and then I run, it's running, it's building. It's taking some little time to build. You see, Playground will identify, use on identify, use on solve and identify variable. It's not acceptable. But if I just put two line and I run it again the second time, you see we have our result here, hello Playground. So this is just the symbol. It's just the symbol for comment. Sorry, so it's just a symbol for comment. And if I just put, let me just type something different again, like constant. Xcode will not and then I run it again. See, have our result, hello Playground. So the symbol of comment is just a two line. You can just write here, this is not for use. Xcode will not complain. But whenever you remove the two line, you run it, Playground is going to complain. Sorry, Playground blah blah error to start the body of for each loop. This is not, you see, consecutive statement on a line must be separated by blah blah blah. Xcode is complaining. But if I just add two line comment, rather there is no error any longer. So this is how you comment in a Swift and other programming language like Dark and Flutter. This is how you comment, by just putting the two line. When you put any two line, the rest thing that you write, the rest code that you write, there's not gonna be a problem. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.